Hi guys, Steph here. No, I hope you all had a lovely Easter. I did. I spent some sort of quality time with my grandchildren, so I had a few days off from pens, but we're back again. So, what do we have for you today? We have for you an interesting little fountain pen. And for you eagle-eyed viewers out there that watch regular, you would have seen the pen here. There you go. Look at that. What an interesting little pen. So, yes, it just needs a little bit of clean, a little bit of TLC, and it'll be ready to go. Hey. And here we have it. After that little bit of cleaning, that little bit of TLC, the pen is ready to go. And this one's been reserved by a viewer across the pond. So what we're going to do, we'll just review it, do a short review for you, and then we'll get it in the post to the new owner. So what do we have? We've got for you, if I get the barrel imprint somewhere, there we go. We've got a Wyvern Baby fountain pen. Okay, it just simply says Wyvern Baby. Okay, now this pen, because it's a Wyvern, was made in England by a company that is it's a little bit less known than the major manufacturers. Wyvern were actually one of the first and one of the longest established fountain pen manufacturers in England, and they were based in a city called Leicester here in the UK. They made lots and lots of different fountain pens, different styles, different colours, different models, too many to mention. And I believe also they did actually make pens for other manufacturers as well. So, some of you people may say, well, who's Wyvern? Well, a very underrated pen manufacturer, because some of the pens are absolutely gorgeous. And to be honest with you, this is one of them, the Wyvern Baby. Made in this black hard rubber. It's got this sort of chasing pattern running throughout the pen. As you can see, it's a lever-filled fountain pen. It's got a nickel silver lever, as you can see there. It's a small pen. It's what they term as maybe a purse pen of the period, or a shirt pocket pen. And when I say the period, I'm not 100% sure of the period, but I'm going to say around about the 1940s. The size of it, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, 94mm capped. Around the barrel, it's 8mm in diameter. So as you can see, quite a small pen, but in lovely condition. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. Very nice indeed. As I said, it's been fully disassembled. We've put a brand new, quite a small sack inside. Everything's been cleaned. It's in lovely condition. Now, although it's a small pen, and as you can see with my large hands, I'm sure I could write with it, but I would struggle a little bit in sort of long periods. But as you can see to the bottom of the barrel there, it's got this threaded section. Now, a lot of you will know I do not like posting caps onto pens, But in this specific case, with the thread there, that is what it's designed for. Okay, so you can post the cap like so. And now, with my large hands, yeah, it makes it a little bit more comfortable to hold and to write with. Okay, so although it was a small pen before it was capped, you can see now it's quite a fair size and quite a comfortable size. Now, as I said, what we've done, we've put a new sack in the pen. So there you can see the lever is nice and springy. I'm not going to fill the pen because I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner. He can fill it with his favourite ink and away he goes, and he can enjoy the pen. You can see the section there above the thread, sort of a slightly concave section. You can see the nib there. This one's got a warranted 14 karat gold nib. There's a sideways view. There's the feed underneath. You can see nice and clean as it should be. Everything has been thoroughly cleaned, as I said. Even the ink channels in the feeds all get cleaned. So we try and not leave anything, you know, that doesn't need cleaning. We don't leave it. We clean everything that I feel is needed. Okay, so a lovely, lovely pen. Now, again, let's pop the cap back on like so. Again, I'm not going to fill the pen, but yeah, it'd be interesting to see how it writes, because it does feel to have a flexi nib. So I've got a bottle of ink to my right here. So let's just dip that in the ink and let's just see how it writes. So what we've got is a Wyvern Baby fountain pen. Again, made in England around, I'm saying around the 1940s. Let's just give it another dip. Okay, does it have any flex? I would say yes, it has. A little bit of toothiness on it. But there you go, there's a writing sample. So with a bit of a downward stroke, you can see we're getting some flexibility in the pen. Okay, the cross stroke is a little bit finer. So yes, it has a little bit of flex in the nib, but yeah, it gives an interesting line when you actually write with it. So what we'll do, let's just clean that off briefly now, and then we'll clean it after the video, ready to go into the post. So there we go. We're going to keep it short for you this time. So a lovely Wyvern Baby fountain pen, this pocket pen, purse pen, term it whatever you like, in lovely condition, black hard rubber with a lovely chasing pattern, fully serviced and ready to go. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, down below, leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up as well, subscribe to the channel, don't forget. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this lovely little pen. Bye bye for now.